Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday Market Webcast. Okay, so we're still consolidating. You've got the 200-day exponential moving average, you got the 100-day, and we're in between. It's been 3, 6. This is our 7th session. So it's it's setting up the next leg, obviously, but it's just very non-committal as we head into a holiday week. And head into December about what exactly it wants to do. We're slowly building up off of these lows, but we still have, a couple of significant highs that have failed, and a price level, a moving average, the 200-day exponential that has consistently held in these moves. So the bull's only job this week is to try to take out the purple line, close above it. The bears want to get back below the 100, do a test of the daily mid-band down here, the 20, you see the 50 just below it. They'd like to close somewhere down here. Unless you really get some news that's going to move it, chances are we probably close somewhere in between. We spend 3 days into Thanksgiving kind of bouncing around. Hourly chart. It doesn't look as consolidation-ish as it does on the daily, because there have been a lot of really decent moves. There's been decent vol. You got, that's a 70 handle move. This is another, 70 to 80 on the way back up, 40 down. So, I mean, there have been plenty of handles to be had. It's not blowout volatility. It's not any of that stuff where it's too much to catch. It's kind of been in a nice sweet spot where you can come in and grab, 10 or 20 handles in a day, without having to take too many trades to get it done, and it's been fine. You see the new weekly pivot there, 39.69.33. We'll see how that pans out over the course of the day. I think that needs a look. The question is, does it get held in along with everything else? Bears want to take out this low. Bulls want to take out this high. It's just and this is one of these Mondays. The best piece of trading advice I can give you today is go into this with an open mind, understanding that we're consolidating on a daily chart, that we are just kind of batting back and forth in decent volatility on an hourly chart, and just have an open mind about which way it could break, because it could break either way. Throw out your philosophies or your opinions about what price should do and pay a whole heck of a lot of attention about what price is doing. Respect risk. Take your profits where you find them. Take your, we didn't try to get cute on Friday, with, trying to grab, too much. In the afternoon, we were grabbing 10 handle thirds, but, and we had a 20 handle runner in the morning. But I think today, especially in the morning, take your standard. Our standard profit in the room is 6 on a third, 10 on a middle. I think that's really what we're going to do today. And our risk never changes. It's a handle and a half, and that never moves. That never changes, no matter how volatile or not volatile things are. And we get in a rhythm. We use our rules. So we're coming in right now to retest 39.48 area, which is the overnight low from like 4:30 in the morning. I'll be curious to see what happens there. The 9-day is at 39.50 half. Our proprietary moving average is 53.25. 5-minute mid, 52s. Volume weighted average price is sitting up with the hourly mid band, 58 half to 59.25. So I would expect that, unless they really, turn this thing into something heavy, which they could, to go back up and test that area. And then, 10 handles above that is a new weekly pivot. It's all possible, and none of it is possible. And just focus on what price is doing, not what you want price to do. Respect your risk and take profits. It's that kind of a Monday. Get your handles locked in before Thursday, Friday. I'll be doing webcasts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this week. Thursday, Friday. Friday I'll probably pop in for a little while, but it's been a very good month. It's been a very good year, and I'm seriously considering taking Friday as a holiday. We'll see how it goes. If the volatility is really up, maybe I'll trade. But I know for sure you'll have webcasts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we'll deal with the holiday as it comes. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Don't overtrade this stuff. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Open mind. It could go either way. But now you know the prices that are important up and down. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow.